it's Mrs. Riggs. Today I'd like to work on a simple song called Pitter Patter. I don't know about you, but I hear the pitter patter of rain all of the time in April, because you know what they say, April showers bring May flowers. I'll show you the song and then I'll teach it to you in parts. Pitter patter, listen to the rain. Pitter patter on my window pane. Do you know what a window pane is? It's the glass that's in the window. So did you see what I did with the motions? I started by patting my legs. Pitter patter, then I cupped my ear. Listen to the rain. Then I patted my legs again. Pitter patter, then I made the shape of the window. On my window pane. Did you hear the difference between the first verse? Pitter patter, listen to the rain. Pitter patter, on my window pane. The first time it went up, listen to the rain. And the second time it went down, on my window pane. Just like the motions we did. Make your voice follow the motions. My turn to sing, your turn to echo. Pitter patter, your turn. My turn. Listen to the rain. Your turn. My turn. Pitter patter, your turn. My turn. On my window pane. Your turn. Let's try the whole thing together. Here we go. Pitter patter, listen to the rain. Pitter patter, on my window pane. You can try that as many times as you'd like. One more thing I'd like to do with this lesson today is make something called a rain stick. Have you ever seen a rain stick? It's an instrument that when you turn it upside down and the other way, sounds like rain trickling down. So I'm going to take an old mailing tube that has one end capped and some aluminum foil and some popcorn. Doesn't have to be popcorn. You could use beads, you could use lentils or rice, whatever you have around that's kind of round and hard. So, like I said before, you leave the bottom of the tube in. You take your aluminum foil and you start scrunching it up. Then you snake the aluminum foil inside the tube. So it's all the way in. And then you pour in your popcorn. You can already hear how it kind of sounds like rain. Next, you put the top back on the tube, and now you have a rain stick. Let's try our song Pitter Patter with our rain sticks. Here we go. Pitter patter, listen to the rain. Pitter patter, on my window pane. Hope you enjoyed our lesson today. Have a good day.